Hello, everyone. It is Steph. This month, we are taking a look at emergency and legacy planning. And something that covers both of those is a partnership agreement. If you are in a partnership, please make sure that you have an agreement in place that spells out all of the rules of the road. We often partner with people because maybe they complement our skill set. We don't want to do the business alone. We want to spread out risk. There are a lot of different reasons to take on a partner. And sometimes it can be more fun to run a business with somebody else and have someone else that you can bounce ideas off of and collaborate with. And it can be less lonely. It is also far more complicated. And you can go into a partnership with the best of intentions and everyone is friends and you're all on the same page. And running a business is stressful. And there are a lot of unforeseen things that could come your way. And under that stress, dynamics can change. A partnership agreement can help you maintain clarity and objectivity when things might become emotionally muddy or just very overwhelming in the face of everything that needs to be done. So there are questions like, what are the roles, the rights, and the responsibilities of the partners? What happens when someone wants to leave the partnership? What has to be satisfied for that to happen? How will you buy them out? If someone passes away, how will you make their beneficiary whole for their part of the business so you don't wind up in business with the beneficiary who might be an unknown factor for you, or they might be a very difficult person? What happens if a partner reaches a point where they fail to uphold their part of the partnership? Do you have a clause for removal? What happens if they have caused material harm to the partnership? Are they entitled to compensation? Are they entitled to reduced compensation? These are the kinds of things that we don't like to think about, because when we start businesses and when we start partnerships, they're started with optimism. You're just focused on getting to the next level and moving things ahead and progressing with the business. You don't want to think about what happens when something might fall apart. But that is where honing up the dough and meeting with an attorney is money well spent. I know everybody gets very nervous about the meter running and things, getting out of hand with legal expenses and whatnot. But the fact is, having a partnership agreement in place keeps things clear. It helps keep things friendly and objective, and it tells you what to do in the event some of these unforeseen or unexpected things occur. So if you do not have a partnership agreement in place, I highly recommend that you work with an attorney to make that happen, because it does affect what you can do in emergencies, and it does affect what you can do in terms of leaving a legacy or perpetuating the partnership amongst yourselves, rather than, again, inadvertently finding yourself in business with a beneficiary. So if you need recommendations, I have business attorneys I have referred to. They will take very good care of you. And this is something that you can get accomplished for your own peace of mind and mine. I would feel so much better if everyone had this in place. I have worked with businesses that did not have this clearly spelled out, and it is really easy for things to go sideways. And again, you don't think it will when it first starts out, but fast forward many years and many grievances and stresses and frustrations, and things go sideways more often than you think. So I will stop banging that drum. Go do what you need to do. Get that agreement in place. And next week, I will have a new topic for you. So enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye, everyone.